This Real Estate Buzz segment is brought to you by McLeod and Associates, a full-service real estate and mortgage firm. It's not about the number of homes we sell. It's about the difference we make in people's lives.
Hello, Merry Christmas, Miss Mia McLeod.
Maligayang Pasko and magandang hapon po sa mga viewers.
I thought you were going to say Manigong Bagong Taon.
What's that one?
That means Happy New Year.
Oh, you know what? I learned that one is harder for me to say. I have to practice for the next time.
And as we celebrate Christmas and New Year, the holiday season, of course, let us not forget people in the Philippines who were affected by Typhoon Haiyan. They still need our help. After rescue and relief, now is the long journey to rehabilitation and rebuilding. And in fact, even rescue and relief, it's not yet over, right?
No. And you know, the last segment we did, or the segment prior, we dedicated it to Typhoon Yolanda and Haiyan. And right now, you don't see as much media about it, so I really feel it's our responsibility to make sure we keep that story alive. Kawawa naman, diba? Sa mga kapatid natin.
Right.
So we just want to keep that story alive. So again, if you recall, we're part of a nonprofit, Gawat Kalinga, a trusted 501c3, and you know, for a donation of $25, it feeds 3 families for 3 days, and you get a very cool shirt that says I love PH. And the last general meeting, company general meeting we had, all of our agents sported that shirt to show our solidarity and love for the motherland. So for those, again, I know we mentioned for Christmas, for the family, we spoke about foregoing gifts, we're doing donations, and again, $25, 3 families for 3 days. You could go to www.gk-usa.org and get an awesome shirt.
Yes, cool shirt as well.
Yes.
All right, now back to real estate. We're going to be talking about more of your statistics. Last time you shared with us statistics about optimism, buyer optimism. And today you're going to talk about the most wanted list. What is that?
I think it's just perfect timing for the holiday season and the Christmas season. So this is the most wanted list that came out from the National Association of Realtors that buyers want in a home. Okay. And there's a few on that list. I'm just going to highlight you know, a couple. But the first one shows that 94% of buyers want energy-saving appliances, which I think is great. People are thinking to go green, being more energy efficient. That's awesome. Another stat on there was 93% of buyers wanted a laundry room.
Okay,
So
yes, I can understand that.
I can understand.
I can understand that.
I know, like,
because laundry can pile up, and sometimes when you're too busy, you can put the laundry in and then dryer, but it takes you time to take it out. You can just dump it there, and you need,
So, and I don't know if, I know growing up, the laundry's always in the garage. But I can totally understand why buyers want a laundry room that has cabinets. Sometimes there's an extra sink in there.
Right.
So for all the husbands out there, you know what you can get for your wife. You can build a laundry room for Christmas.
Maybe an extension of the garage or a part of the garage. Use the garage.
Use your handy skills this year.
All right, what else is there? This is pretty interesting. Very informative.
And 85% they said they wanted a walk-in pantry in the kitchen.
Okay, walk-in pantry.
You know, and I thought,
yan ang social. That's too much.
Social naman. Well, I think, you know, the kitchen is one of the most important parts and features of a home. It's where families come together, have the most quality time and great conversation. So, you know, houses are actually getting built. They're bigger, so maybe they need just more storage space for, you know, canned goods and things like that. So they want to walk in. So maybe husbands, if you can make that too, you can build one in the kitchen.
All right, so now the question is, this Moreno Valley property, did it have all 3?
This one.
It just got sold, right? Congratulations.
Thanks. And the reason I wanted to highlight it is, you know, we brought it up on a segment before for sale. Now it's closed, but this is a great deal for an investor or a first-time home buyer. So for those type of properties, or if people are looking for something that's maybe not too expensive but a good deal, we have those at our office. Just tawag lang po.
Ayan. All right. And speaking of tawag lang po, if you have additional questions, make sure you email them to us or you call them straight. You do give free consultation, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. First viewer question for the day, maybe the last, first and only, maybe. In addition to the mortgage payment, what other costs do I need to consider? Okay,
this is an important question because a lot of buyers come in thinking they only need to account for the principal and interest payment, the mortgage. They don't consider the property tax, the home insurance, and HOA if applicable. So you can, if you're only taking into consideration the principal and interest, you could get surprised with $300, $500 plus addition every month. So I always advise and inform the clients, you have to look at the full picture. It's like buying a car and only accounting for the car payment, but not accounting for your car insurance or your gas. So you want to look at everything.
Budget everything.
Budget everything into your monthly housing expense and make sure that fits within your family's budget. You don't only take into account the mortgage payment.
Right.
You want to look at everything.
Plus, property tax.
Property tax, home insurance, and HOA if you have that, along with the principal and interest payment.
All right. Well, if you have more questions, why not call them directly? Information on the screen. They do give free consultation, and they can help with either buying or selling a property. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Maligayang Pasko.
All right. We will be back more. Don't go away.